Hey guys, it is me, Stace. Today we're using the Brother Scan and Cut machine to import an SVG file to make this darling little wallet. Isn't that super cute? Opens up like that. I used Velcro to close mine, but you can see we have a spot for some cash and also a spot here for some gift cards. Really simple to make. All right, let's go to the computer and we will get started. All right, at the computer, you want to go to the website 3dsvg.com. You will see this screen. The very top toolbar, click on where it says Free SVG Files. If you scroll down, you will see there is over 10 pages of files for you to choose from. The one we're using today, though, is this one here. It's called the Gift Wallet. Go ahead and click on that. And I'm already logged in, so I'm going to just go ahead and click on Add to Cart and check out. I'm going to place my order. As you place your order, you will receive an email in your inbox as well with the download link. When this is done processing, the next page will also be our download link. So we'll wait for that, which is right there. I'm going to click on that link to download it to my computer, and it downloads to my download folder. I'm going to go ahead and click on that here. See, it comes in a zip file. On a Mac, I just need to double click on that, and I can see the folder here that's called Gift Wallet. Inside that, we have a menu or a PDF that shows us the pieces that we need, a picture of the front and the inside. Then we have the SVG folder. If I click on that, you will see we have the 3 files that we need. There's also an extras folder. If you want to use the Cricut to do this and you want to use the scoring tool, you can do that, but I like using the dash marks. All right, so we're going to close this out and go ahead and go to the Brother Scan and Cut software. I'm using a desktop version of this. I'm going to close this window out. I'm going to make my mat a little bit larger by going to the very top and clicking on that arrow. Now to import an SVG file into Brother Scan and Cut, you want to go to the left-hand side toolbar and click where it says SVG. And you can see there's all the pieces there. I'm going to click on the SVG folder. And we have our 3 mats again. So I'm going to click on this first one. Just double click on that to bring it in. Now the very top toolbar, you want to click on File and then transfer to the internet or transfer to your machine. Going to click OK. You're going to go to the machine, cut that out. When you're done cutting that out, come back to the software and delete that. Go back to the left-hand side toolbar, click on SVG again, and now we're going to grab the 2 green pieces. These are the ones that use pattern paper. I'm going to grab the other one because they both will fit on here. And I'm just double clicking on to insert them. Bring this one down, hold down Shift on my keyboard, and then grab that handle to rotate it. This way it stays straight for us. There we go, we're somewhat straight. All right, so now we're going to drag that piece over here. So this piece is a 12 by 12 piece of pattern paper. The red piece is your cardstock. Same idea, go to the very top toolbar, click on File, Transfer, and then click OK. I'm going to go ahead and cut all these out, go to the table, and we'll put our wallet together. Alrighty, we are back. Everything is cut out. The only thing I did different with this one was change out my pattern paper, and I also inked all of my edges. You can see here, just with a brown ink. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take the cash envelope part and go ahead and fold on those tick marks. And you will see when you open this up, there's little tick marks in here showing you where to line this up at. I'm going to grab my glue. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. And we're going to put glue on all these little flaps. This would be a really fun gift for mom or dad. You could put cash in there. You could put gift cards to their favorite coffee shops or their favorite stores. Really fun. And super easy to make. All right, so I have glue on all of my tab pieces there. And we're going to go ahead and put it in here, lining it up with those tick marks. You don't want to go all the way to the fold. Just fold them down and then just glue or hold that down a little bit. So you can see I'm lined up with the tick marks, not the square mark. I'm going to flip it over and we're going to do it this way because this is the bottom. Now this one you don't want to put glue in the middle, but otherwise your gift cards aren't going to fit. So just put glue around the edges. Again, you're going to line it up with the tick marks and also to where it's even with this one over here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and close our book. And we're going to put, actually I did mine backwards. This is going to be a left-handed book. All right, I'm going to put glue on this piece. So just be cautious on how when you open this up, if you're right-handed, this is the bottom part. The part that has a cutout, that's the bottom. So that should have went the other way. But oh well. Mine's gonna open up like that. So I'm gonna put this piece on there. Okay, and then we're gonna go and grab these pieces. And I do recommend using a strong pattern paper. This is Stampin' Up. I'm not even sure what color this is. Okay, I'm going to flip it over and do the back. Okay, all that's done. Now I have my button here, and I just ran some twine through it. I also inked the twine because it was this off-white color. And I have some sticky strip on the back to hold my button down. I think in a Dreaming Tree they used rhinestones. I didn't like that look, I just like it kind of simple. Just gonna push that down really, really good. All right, now we have our Velcro. This is just Velcro I had on hand. I'm gonna take the two pieces, and I want the furry end on my book. Okay, I'm going to take this part. And this was the kind that had, it's a self-stick backing. Okay, and just press that down. Oh, now it's going to take a little while for that glue to grab. You have to kind of separate them. There we go. Then just push that one down really good. And then push this one down really good. There. Super cute, right? And now to fill it up, I have $20. You can put that in here. I mean, how fun would this be to give to a mom and dad? And just some gift cards that I had. Okay, so we're gonna just put one. And you kind of have to bend it a little bit to get the gift card in there, but it will go in there. So there's that one. That's why we don't glue all the way around. We just glue on the outside edges. Don't want to go all the way down. Right? How cute would this be for Dad? If Dad was into tools and coffee, you can give him a few gift cards to like a Home Depot kind of thing, coffee shops. Super, super sweet. All right, so there's that one. And then there's this one here. So if you're right-handed, you want to have the cash on this side and this part on the bottom. Okay, I did it backwards here. You can see mine's kind of upside down, so this one's for left-handed. But either way, really, really cute and fairly simple. All right, guys, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.